This is not simply a motorhome sitting under showroom lights. Take a moment and allow yourself to really look at it. Notice the way the cream-white exterior reflects the surrounding light, not aggressively, not dramatically, but with a quiet confidence that feels intentional and measured. The subtle metallic accents are not there to impress at first glance, they are there to reward attention. The lines are smooth, deliberate, and aerodynamic, giving the vehicle a presence that feels closer to a luxury touring coach than a traditional recreational vehicle. From the panoramic windshield stretching across the front to the carefully balanced multi-axle stance beneath it, everything about this design communicates stability and control. It does not feel oversized for attention. It feels engineered for distance, for performance, and for a higher standard of travel. But the real transformation begins beneath the surface. This is a fully electric luxury motorhome, powered by an advanced battery system integrated directly into the chassis for optimal balance and structural integrity. The placement of that battery architecture lowers the center of gravity, which in turn improves road stability, cornering control, and overall ride smoothness. When it begins to move, the experience is immediately different from anything traditional. There is no engine rumble. There is no mechanical vibration. There is no aggressive surge. Instead, there is smooth, linear acceleration that feels controlled and deliberate. The torque is delivered instantly yet calmly. The movement is steady, refined, and predictable. The silence inside the cabin becomes part of the luxury itself. And once this vehicle transitions from showroom flooring to open pavement, that refinement becomes even more apparent. On city streets, it glides with composure. Steering input feels precise without being heavy. The suspension absorbs imperfections in the road without transferring unnecessary motion into the cabin. You remain comfortable, stable, and relaxed. As it merges onto the highway, the structure of the chassis reveals its strength. The vehicle remains planted even as speeds increase. Wind resistance does not create instability. Lane positioning feels secure. The weight distribution remains balanced. Taking it into mountainous terrain further highlights the engineering behind the design. Through winding curves and elevation changes, the body remains composed. There is no excessive lean, no dramatic correction required, just smooth cornering and confident response. Driving through forest-lined roads under shifting sunlight, you begin to appreciate the quiet environment created by electric propulsion. The absence of mechanical noise allows you to focus on the landscape, the road ahead, and the journey itself. Even in rain, the vehicle maintains composure. The windshield clears efficiently, visibility remains strong, and traction feels controlled. At night, the headlights illuminate the road clearly, while the interior lighting remains soft and balanced, avoiding glare or distraction. Inside the cockpit, the design philosophy continues. The beige leather seating is sculpted for long-distance comfort, offering structured support without feeling stiff or restrictive. The materials feel substantial and premium, with careful stitching and refined finishes that enhance durability and elegance. The steering wheel sits naturally in hand, positioned for effortless control. To the left, driving information is presented clearly and logically. At the center, navigation data is displayed in a clean and distraction-free format. To the right, performance metrics reinforce the electric identity of the vehicle without overwhelming the driver. The layout is symmetrical and intuitive. Nothing feels misplaced. Nothing feels excessive. Ambient lighting flows subtly across the interior panels, adding warmth and depth without overpowering the natural tones of the cabin. The combination of light, material, and space creates an environment that feels calm and controlled. Moving further inside, the living area demonstrates intelligent spatial design. The sleeping space is integrated seamlessly into the architecture of the motorhome. The bed is proportioned correctly for the available space, offering comfort while maintaining openness within the cabin. Soft overhead lighting and carefully positioned side illumination create a private and restful atmosphere. The bathroom area reflects the same attention to detail. A compact shower enclosure with clean glass lines provides functionality without consuming unnecessary space. Modern fixtures, a properly scaled toilet, and an integrated wash basin work together to deliver comfort while respecting the dimensions of mobile living. The kitchen continues that theme of precision engineering. A compact refrigerator designed specifically for travel. A streamlined cooking surface integrated cleanly into the counter. A sink positioned for easy access and efficient use. Everything is scaled for mobility, yet built with quality materials that reinforce durability and refinement. This motorhome does not attempt to imitate a traditional house. Instead, it redefines what intelligent mobile living should feel like. It balances motion and stability, performance and comfort, power and silence. And as the day comes to a close, when the vehicle slows beside a quiet lake or along a mountain overlook, the full experience becomes clear. The electric system powers down smoothly. Interior lighting softens. The outside world grows still. In that quiet moment, you realize that this vehicle represents more than transportation. It represents independence without sacrificing control. It represents freedom without compromising comfort. It represents a future where electric performance and luxury living coexist naturally. From the first mile to the final destination, the experience remains consistent. Calm, controlled, refined. This motorhome does not rush you. It does not overwhelm you. It does not demand attention through noise. Instead, it delivers confidence through silence, stability through engineering, and luxury through thoughtful design. And wherever the road leads next, it carries you forward with balance, precision, and a sense of quiet authority that defines the next generation of travel.